Hey Curtis, I just watched your video. I'll show you what's going on here. So I will go outside and show you guys what I have to deal with here in Massachusetts. Well, this is what snow drifts are. As you can see here, compared to... Jesus Christ. Look at that truck over there. Snow is up to his door handles because of the drifts. Car's fucking buried. Look at those cars down there. Can't even fucking see them. Dude, the snow drifts are up over the top of the car. Here's the plow. Yeah, there are stairs here. I know it's gonna be hard to see. Holy shit. You guys can't even tell, but right there is about up to my waist, if not higher. There's usually 2 cars parked there. There's my truck. Piece of shit Durango. 4-wheel drive though. I'll get out of this. As you guys can see, that snow right here, you can see from all the plows pushing and then the drifts. That is probably up to the height of my windshield wipers. That's fucking crazy. We got no snow last year. This is my girlfriend's car. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. What the fuck is that? Is that a fucking cone on top of her car? Oh my god. I need to take a picture of this shit. Yeah, I don't think she's going to be getting in her car. As you can see there. I mean, I can get in mine. This is what's messed up about snow drifts. There's the snow on my tires. You know, I can walk. And then you get over hers, and it's ridiculous. But it's still, I can't tell if it's coming down still, but it might be just blowing around. But it was windy as hell. But this is fucking crazy, guys. There is a bush here. Crazy. See, look, this tree. You can see the little rocks. You can still see the ground here. So, I'm trying to think of some of my West Coast friends. Fucking Amare. You never seen shit like this, brother. Thank God you live in an earthquake zone. Feel bad for these people over here. Then that guy's never getting out. Look at this shit. There is a car over there. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you what's going on. I'm gonna go back in and drink my coffee.